This Holi, something went very wrong. Or maybe it's just right! Whee! Colors everywhere! Holi, yay! Best Holi ever!
Let's make a rainbow.
Yay, I'll add red.
It's swirling. Add more.
Here comes green!
Wow, look at the sparkles.
Yeah!
Why is this color bubbling like that?
Because it is superpower Holi color. I look like a walking rainbow balloon.
This is the best Holi ever! Now, super water attack!
Wait!
Next year, no experiments.
Okay, maybe just a small one.
Happy